So back with the engine. This was the flywheel stroke fan, which obviously isn't needed to be a fan because it's water cooled now. So I've machined these fan blades off, drilled a couple of holes for balancing. It has actually got a counterbalance weight in here to counteract for the magnets, which are for the ignition pickup. I've moved the coil to this side. Previously it was about here, but obviously that got in the way of the water jacket cylinder. I'm putting the flywheel together with Loctite on the taper and an Allen cap bolt, as opposed to the normal hex bolt that was in there, and a much thicker steel washer that I've made. So I'm just going to bolt that up and then see if I can get the pull start to fit on there for now, so that I can start running it in. So that's bolted up. Good idea for clearance is just use a piece of card between the contact points, and then you know you've got the right clearance on the flywheel. So this is the ripcord start, which I've just marked on there. I'm just going to cut that. And that's cut. So time to plonk that on there. Ripcord's on. Spark plug is there. I have a spark. When I hold the engine like this, you can see how the pull cord start works. So as you pull it, this engages with the end of the crank and turns it. So clutch is on. Can't run a Allen cap bolt in there because it's going to fail on here. So that's just put on with some Loctite on the taper for the clutch unit as well. And I'll just pop these in. Make sure it spins, that's good. There is a pinion support bearing for this as well, which will pop on there, but I'm not going to put that on yet because it makes it more difficult to put the chain on and off. So that is the engine pretty much complete. Just need to extend the spark plug lead, and it's going into the car now.